Now sum number 11, they have given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, that is, it is an isosceles triangle, and ray BD bisects angle B and ray CE bisects angle C. We have to prove that ED, that is over here, we have to prove that ED is parallel to BC. ED is parallel to BC. Now if I take only the first angle bisector BD, so according to BD is the angle in triangle ABC, segment AB is congruent to segment AC, let us take that as 1 given, and ray BD bisects angle ABC, that is given. Therefore by property of angle bisector, AB upon BC is equal to AD upon CD. AD upon CD, let us take that as 2 by property of angle bisector. Same way CE bisect, ray CE bisects ray CE bisects angle ACB, that is also given. Now let us take ACB, and this is the angle bisector. Now ray CE is the angle bisector of angle ACB. Then by angle property of angle bisector, what you will get? AC upon BC is equal to AE upon BE. AE upon BE. Let us take that as 3. By which property? Property of angle bisector. Now from 1 what you will get? AB is equal to AC. So instead of AB I can write AC, or instead of AC I can write AB. Anything I can take. So either instead of AB you can write AC, or instead of AC you can write AB. So from 1 and 3, what you get? AC, instead of AC I'll write AB. AB upon BC is equal to AE upon BE. Let us take this as 4. From 1 and 3. Now if you compare the fourth and the second one, AB upon BC, AB upon BC, and this is AD upon CD, and this is AE upon BE. Since the left hand side is same, so right hand side also has to be same. Therefore AD upon CD is equal to AE upon BE. AE upon BE from 2 and 4. Now if you look at the figure, AE upon BE is equal to AD upon CD. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, ED is parallel to BC. So from this point you get AD upon CD is equal to AE upon BE. Therefore ED is parallel to BC. Therefore seg ED is parallel to seg BC. Reason what you'll write? Converse of basic proportionality theorem. theorem.